Dear business owner, your biggest desire is to increase your profit, revenue, and brand value by 10 to 100 times by working just 1 hour a day in your business, and that too without taking risk of additional financial liabilities and without taking burden of managing your teams and convincing your customers. Is that right? If your answer is yes, then you will agree with me on this also. आप इस सिचुएशन को अभी तक अचीव नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. You are still stuck in your existing business. आपका बिजनेस स्टैग्नेंट हो चुका है. And there can be more factors like आपके पास एक अच्छी टीम नहीं है, आपके पास sufficient cash flow नहीं है, आपके मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स इफेक्टिव नहीं है, आपके प्रोसेसेस आपको रिजल्ट नहीं देते, आप कंपटीशन की वजह से ग्रो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. इन सब फैक्टर्स को आप ऑलरेडी आइडेंटिफाई कर चुके हैं, बट द ओनली आंसर दैट यू नीड इज़ कि इन सब से बाहर कैसे आया जाए. कौन से वो स्टेप्स उठाएं कि आपका बिजनेस नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चला जाए, कब कौन सा डिसीजन आपके लिए सही रहेगा, आपको लाइफ चेंजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिले और आपके बिजनेस के सभी रिस्क ख़त्म हों. बेसिकली जिस सिचुएशन में आप हैं उस सिचुएशन को कहते हैं अनसर्टेनिटी, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हमें प्रॉब्लम दिखाई देती है, हम लेकिन उसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं ढूंढ पाते. डू यू नो 97% ऑफ बिजनेस ओनर्स इन योर इंडस्ट्री are struggling for their survival, whereas only 3% have become the industry leaders. And how they could succeed and reach to the top level? Because they took the right steps at the right time. उन्होंने सही समय पे सही डिसीजन लिया, जिससे उन्हें सही टाइम पे सक्सेस मिली. And trust me, just like those top 3% business owners, आप भी अपने इंडस्ट्री के लीडर बन सकते हैं if you come out of the situation of uncertainty. And how is all this even possible? Well, let me share a little secret with you. And that secret weapon is power of forecasting. Forecasting allows you to be able to predict what the future holds for you and for your business. There are 3 extremely powerful techniques जिन्हें अप्लाई करके आप अपने बिजनेस की फोरकास्टिंग कर सकते हैं. The first technique is Quantum Astro Insights. The second technique is stock trading intelligence, and third technique is data-driven psychology. These powerful techniques will remove all uncertainties from all areas of your business, and you will be able to grab life-changing opportunities, and you will identify and eliminate all risks and threats in advance. And finally, you will be surrounded by the best people helping you grow and succeed. With our Business Forecast Dominator program, our strategic consultation, and our hand-holding during implementation will empower you within just 90 days to create endless possibilities of growing your business even beyond 100 times. During these 90 days, you will develop a high-performing team, attract and retain high-ticket clients, establish a network of influential connections, design efficient and productive processes, build a strong brand authority, execute result-driven marketing campaigns, achieve sales conversions and high-value deals, maximize long-term profitability for expansion. You will lead the market by beating the competition, and ultimately you will become Business Forecast Dominator. You will master the art of applying these techniques in your business with us, and you will witness the tangible and measurable outcome. बिजनेस फोरकास्ट डोमिनेटर प्रोग्राम एक फ्लैशी आइडिया नहीं है. इसके पीछे हमारे 25 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस और एफर्ट्स इन्वॉल्व है. We have been in business since 1998 and we have been able to establish our own 12 leading institutions, 3 technology ventures, 1 media brand with its global reach across 192 countries. We have impacted the lives of 32,000 plus individuals, and today we are transforming the lives of business owners like you by growing their brand, revenue and profit. Business Forecast Dominator program सभी के लिए नहीं है. We take selected clients who are serious about their growth and who believe in power of forecasting. So if you are curious about growing your business beyond expectations, then book a one-to-one session with us. हम आपसे बात करेंगे, आपके गोल्स और आपके ड्रीम्स के बारे में जानेंगे, and we'll evaluate if the Business Forecast Dominator program is best fit for your business. So apply now and book your convenience slot for the one-to-one personalized session with us.